Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic dimensions of physical quantities. So when a quantity is expressed in terms of the base quantities, it is written as a product of different powers of the base quantities. So the exponent of a base quantity that enters into the expression is called the dimension of the quantity in that base. So the exponent of a base quantity that enters into the expression is called the dimension of the quantity in that base, is called the dimension of the quantity in that base. For example, if we talk about force, then force dimension formula is mLT minus 2. So if we talk about the dimensions here, then the dimensions of mass is the power of mass. So it will be dimensions of mass is, this is raised to power 1, this is also raised to power 1. So mass dimension is 1. Then the dimension of L is also 1. Then we have dimensions of time. Dimensions of time is minus 2 in this case. If we talk about another example in which we are given that area is there. Area. So the dimensional formula of area is L square. So here the dimension of mass will be 0. Dimension of mass is 0. Similarly, dimension of time will also be 0. Dimension of time is also 0. But dimensions of length is here 2. So, this is about the dimensions of physical quantity. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.